So hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the GCS score of trauma. Before we start discussing, I just want to tell you something about the channel. This channel caters to converting the abstract text into very interesting images so that it seeps deep down within your subconscious. Right, so let's begin. First of all, अपन लोग आई स्कोर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. जस्ट सी, यहाँ आईज दोनों के दोनों स्पॉन्टेनियसली खुली हैं, पहले से खुली हैं, तो दैट इज द स्पॉन्टेनियसली ओपनिंग ऑफ द आई दैट इज गिवन अ स्कोर ऑफ 4. राइट, कैन यू सी इट? इट इज गिवन अ स्कोर ऑफ 4. देन जस्ट सी, इसके लिप्स का पैटर्न देखो, इट इज लुकिंग लाइक 3. सो ओपनिंग ऑफ द आईज इन रिस्पॉन्ड टू साउंड्स लाइक हेलो, ठीक है, दैट आर कमिंग थ्रू द लिप्स, ठीक है, दैट इज बेसिकली योर 3. दैट इज गिवन अ स्कोर ऑफ 3. नाउ जस्ट सी, 2 is having a dart at the tail. ठीक है, 2 is having a dart at the tail and that could cause pain or pressure. The opening of the eye in response to pain and pressure, that is given a score of 2. Right, then just see, if the person is not responding even after pain or pressure, then just see is horizontal 1 को आप लोग ऐसे लिख लो, तो it is given a score of 1. Right, so this horizontal 1 is this. Right, okay, is it clear? ठीक है. Now for voice response, you have to remember voice, VOICE, right? So just see, first ये V के ऊपर मैंने ये क्रॉस लगा रखा है, द टेप इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग वॉइसलेस, ठीक है. द फर्स्ट इज बेसिकली योर वॉइसलेस. देन जस्ट सी, ओ that sound, incoherent sound that are being produced, that is given a score of 2. Then coming towards the 3, that is basically your inappropriate words like this, ठीक है. So inappropriate words is given the score of 3. Right, then 4th is basically your confused. Just see, इसकी आंखों में confusion है बहुत सारा. So C is for confused, confusion, done. And 5th is your full marks, that is basically for your elegant speech. Full marks for your elegant speech. Done. So verbal response we have finished. Coming towards your motor response, just see, there are so poor people. They, और इतनी गर्मी हो रही है बाहर, they can't live without a fan. तो they can't live without fan, ठीक है. तो can't live without fan, can't का C, command obeying, ठीक है. The first is they are obeying all the commands, ठीक है. Now second is basically your live location. So localization of the pain, ठीक है. The person is able to localize the pain. Then 4th is basically withdraw to the pain, ठीक है. तो can't live without fan, तो W is basically withdraw to the pain. The limb is withdrawn in response to the pain. Then fan is basically your abnormal flexion. Then it is flexion abnormal. Then A would be abnormal extension because flexion is done already, right? And then N would be 1. I know this is a tough one, but this is the maximum possible. Like it could be eased up to this maximum level. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं आसान बनाया जा सकता. I don't think so. Right, तो that's all. ठीक है, let's have a quick recap. यहीं से start करते हैं. They can't live without a fan. That is basically your command obeying. And live, that is basically your localize the pain. Without, that is withdraw to the pain. And F, that is basically your flexion is abnormal. And A is basically your abnormal extension. And N, that is none. None का last में 1 अलग कर लो, that is basically your 1. Right? Okay. Coming to the score of I, that is basically 4. And 4, that is I is opening spontaneously. Then this is the 3, that is basically to the sounds. Then just see, 2 is having a dart, that is pain and pressure. And 1 is this. So 1 is given the score, right? मतलब कोई response नहीं हो रहा 1 से. Then just see, VOICE voice. तो voiceless is the first. Second is basically your incoherent sound like O. ठीक है. 3, that is basically your this inappropriate words. And 4th, that is basically your confused. C, उसकी eyes, they are very very confused. And E is basically your elegant speech. Full marks for elegant speech. Done. So if you do like my work, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I have tried my level best to ease it out. Right? Thank you.